Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about XLM, really understanding what's happening with the price and of course what we could be expecting going further into the week. Of course, the last 24 hours have been amazing for the cryptocurrency market. If you've watched my channel on a regular basis, if you watch all my updates, you guys are kind of up to date as to what's really happening. But if you only focus on the stellar updates, of course watch this video till the end and I'm going to keep you guys covered as to what's really happening. So last 24 hours, like I said, it has been nothing short of just excitement. Looking across the board, XRP really stole the day. There's a lot of major developments coming out aside from the broader market pumping, but the timing is everything at the end of the day. And of course, the momentum that XRP was showing, of course, is not a major surprise to any one of us because we saw this move coming. But XLM, remember that correlation. We speak about that correlation. Remember that we are up 13.5% also, over the last 24 hours in USD compared to, actually outpacing XRP right now. But, what's quite interesting here is, the correlation between, the utility projects right now, HBAR up, XLM, IOTA, XDC, ADA, Algorand. You guys get the idea. Well, let's take a closer look and really understand what's happening with XLM's price right now. And of course, what are some targets we could be aiming going into Wednesday morning. So the price is currently approaching 48 cents right now, up 11% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap at about $14.4 billion in the 24-hour trading volume at about $1.1 billion. And before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So pretty much dominance peaked out yesterday. Since then, of course, Bitcoin saw a major move, dominance starting pulling down, which of course is amazing to see. If you're looking at Bitcoin, Bitcoin is holding above $97,000 as we are going into Wednesday morning. Amazing, momentum that we're seeing right now for BTC. Obviously, if we're able to break out of this key resistance, I stated this in a lot of my other updates, I do expect that the $100,000 price point could be retested, in the very, near future. So in the next few days to come. So obviously, Bitcoin is looking amazing right now. Dominance is pulling down. Altcoins absolutely pumping. But I mentioned this in my Pepe update. If you did watch that, you're seeing a lag for meme coins right now. You're seeing utility projects actually outpacing memes right now. Is this due to the regulation coming towards crypto markets? Possibly, but I think it's mostly due to, of course, regulation is a major one as well. But, the major developments that we saw in November coming out, of course, as Donald Trump got elected as the president. And I really do believe these US-based, utility projects, strong fundamentals could really do well this bull run. And, just a few weeks ago, a month or two ago, people thought, these projects were completely dead. And here we are. It's absolutely insane to think about. But enough with, the talks. Let's really understand what's happening with XLM's price right now. So I want to show you guys just a quick, reminder as to, what XLM has been able to do in the past cycles. You can see, it's pretty much replicating the previous cycle move. As you can see, we saw major moves here, original bull market, topping out at 93.3 cents. And, one thing a lot of people forget is market valuation around these two different cycles, were much lower than, where we are. So, circulation supply. So the amount of coins in circulation has increased cycle by cycle. And yet again, you're looking at stellar, almost, getting closer to retesting, cycle highs from the previous level. So this time around, of course, we know the correlation between XRP and XLM, and it's reacting in a positive way to that, XRP's move. So now if you're looking at it on the hourly time frame to really give you guys a little bit of a better visual, you could see, XLM had, a major move, of course, back in November, where we went up to the likes of 64 cents to be exact. Of course, we retraced quite heavily after that because, market saw, a major retracement back in December. But look at the recovery. The recovery is something I want you guys to focus on right here. And right now, we could actually be smashing past our yearly high for the year of 2025. Hear me out. I'm talking about the year 2025, not 2024. I know a lot of people are going to be quick to say, well, your Crypto ZX, we were sitting at 64 cents back in November. Yes, but that was 2024. We're only talking about the fiscal year of 2025 here. And, the yearly high for this year was around 48.5 cents, and as of now it looks like we could actually be smashing out of that range maybe even in the next few minutes or so. It's only a 3% move. If we're able to break out of this key resistance, guys, I honestly do believe XLM could actually start pushing up to the likes of this 56 cents to possibly even making its way up to the yearly high from last year. And that is a move of about 36%. It is a big move right now, but if Bitcoin cracks past 100K, dominance pulls down, these are some realistic targets to be looking out for. A lot of excitement right now for utility projects, and I do believe going into the day Donald Trump, gets to be in office for the first time, Gary Gensler being removed, you will see the market actually thriving, but there will become a time where you do see a little bit of a cool off. So enjoy the profits while you see them. Lock those profits in. Obviously, it's going to be a long bull market. It's going to still have these sideways momentum. But yeah, you really want to stick with your exit strategies and lock profits in when you see them. But I'm really liking this XLM setup right here. If we're able to break out from where we are right now, we could actually start heading to early December levels, which obviously is quite bullish to say the least. So again, correlation with XRP. Love each and every one of you guys. Let me know down below what you guys think. If you watched this video till now, comment down below. Moon. Love you all. See you later. Been Crypto ZX and peace out.